If your animated Canva elements freeze or disappear as soon as you export your file, the problem is almost always the file format you chose during download. Static formats like PDF, PNG, and JPEG simply cannot hold moving parts. To keep your motion intact, you need to head up to the top right corner of the Canva editor and click Share. From that drop-down menu, scroll down to where it says Download. Right under File Type, click the selection box. Change your export setting from PDF Standard or PNG over to MP for video or short GIF. Now, that goes both ways. When you switch your design to an MP4 or GIF to preserve that movement, you lose the ability to print it out as a sharp vector document or send it as a standard multi-page PDF reader file. The important thing is matching the right format to where you plan to share it. If you are posting to social media or showing a video slide, MP4 gives you high definition motion with sound, while GIF gives you continuous looping motion without audio. If you are exporting slides to present in software like Microsoft PowerPoint, Canva animations usually will not transfer over as live editable motion. In my case, whenever I need an editable deck in another app, I export the static presentation slides first, open them in PowerPoint, and recreate the slide transitions directly inside that program. If you already selected MP4 or GIF and your export is still frozen, stuck processing, or rendering with glitched elements, the issue is usually heavy design assets or browser memory limits. Back out of the download prompt and look at your project timeline. Try removing heavy video overlays, trimming long background tracks, or breaking up massive text animations into smaller individual boxes. If that still does not work, go into your browser settings and clear your browser cache and cookies, or open Canva in a different browser altogether like Chrome or Firefox. Accumulated cache files or interfering browser extensions often block Canva from rendering heavy video frames during export. Once you have selected MP4 video, cleaned up heavy elements, and refreshed your browser session, click Share. Scroll down to Download, hit the button at the bottom, and let the progress bar finish completely, so your motion file exports with every single animation intact.